Welcome back to Ken's Fishing and Cooking Channel. Today we will be changing the gear oil in the lower unit of my boat. I've got a 50 horsepower Johnson outboard, 2-stroke. It's about to be fishing season, so we're going to get it set up today. Come along with us and see how it works. Alright, I don't have a tilt and trim, so I'm going to have to let this down. Alright, now that that's down, what we do is find the 2 screws. There's one, and there's one. Breaks free, pretty easy. Catch that in. An old paint rolling pan here. Looks like that should work just fine. And just let it drip on out. Right, that oil looks pretty good, actually. There's no water in it. It's a good thing. So let that run out. Give it a couple minutes. So I ordered some Quicksilver gear lube oil, SAE 90. High performance gear lube. That's what we're putting in here today. And I ordered this pump tube that you connect right to the gear lube oil bottle, and straight to the bottom hole. Okay. So it comes in 3 pieces. You got your pump, and this piece goes to your pump. You have to put it on the bottom there. Make sure you get it all the way to the bottom. Okay. And there's some different ends. This is the standard end that it comes on, but then it's got 2 adapters here for whatever size hole you have. So we're just going to screw it in there just like that. Oh, no, we don't want to go on the top. We're making a big mistake. We go to the bottom first. We're not going to need any of the adapters. Finally. Okay, now this will turn, and you don't have to worry about having to flip over the hose several times like I thought I did. Alright, now let's put this extension back on. I'm just going to go through the foil on the top. Screw it in. Now let's start pumping. Okay, there we go. This oil is nice and green. We're gonna wait till we see it come out right here. Well, this pump is working very slowly. We got about a quarter of the quart in there now. I've done pumped it many times. Got about a third of a quart in there now. It's got about a half now. So steady as you go. Oh, it's starting to come out. That's all we need to see right there. Screwdriver go. Let's get that nice and snug. And get this one ready here too. Had a good bit fall out. Alright. Tightened it up. And that should be all we have to do. Alright, let me go wash up my hands. We'll turn this boat around, get some water running to it, start it up and test it out. Alright, back the boat up to the water hose here. And we're going to put these ears on it. I got some brand new gas in it to start out the year. Let's hook it up and run it for a spell. Make sure it's running good. Alright, we're just going to let it charge for a few hours, and then we'll come back and start it. Alright, I got it started. Let's take it through a few gears. That looked like a pretty good test. Everything looks like it's running really well. And I'll hook the other batteries up to the electrical stuff, the fish finder and lights and stuff like that. And then we will be out on the water fishing very soon. We'll see you there.